Start with a nozzle check to identify which ink is not printing. Go to Maintenance and press OK. Select Nozzle Check, then press OK. Press Start to begin. Wait while the printer prints the nozzle check pattern. If any color is missing or not printing, run a print head cleaning. Press Yes to confirm head cleaning. Then press OK to start the process. This process takes about 3 minutes. The printer may produce some noise during cleaning. Once the cleaning is complete, the printer will automatically print another nozzle check. Check the result carefully. You can repeat the cleaning up to 3 times to improve print quality. Allow about 1 minute between each cleaning cycle. If the issue is not resolved after 3 cleanings, run a power cleanings. Before starting, check the ink levels. Make sure each tank is at least 1/3 full. From the maintenance menu, press the right arrow to find power cleaning. Then press OK several times. Press and hold the Start button for 5 seconds to begin. This process takes about 11 minutes. The printer may produce noise during this process. After it's finished, wait for about 1 minute, then run another nozzle check. If this method still doesn't fix the problem, check out the third method in my next video. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and happy printing.